Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about how to use choose function in Excel. Choose function in Excel gives us flexibility to write positional values. So let's suppose we write our formula choose. Now it asks for an index number. So we will put our index value as this. Now we wanted to say that if index is 1, then value 1 will come. If index will 2, the value 2 will come. And we need to mention the cell reference like value 1, value 2, and value 3. So in this example, we have 3 different values. So we will write it like that. Now, as we see here that we have index value as 1 right now. So let's put it constant. Let's make it absolute reference. Then copy and paste the formula. So we see for the index 1, it gives us 124, 135, 145. Now let's suppose I will change this index as 3. Now it gives me value 111, 109, 104, and 98. This is also some sort of lookup function, and it basically gives the positional values basis this index. It is also very helpful, and we can use it to provide different functions. Different uses are available in Excel. Thank you.